Okay, so let's look at what is hyperbole. What is hyperbole? So, is to exaggerate something, yet not taken literal. So when to exaggerate something, say something is bigger than it actually is, but don't take it on face value. Don't take it literally. This is the best comb in the world. Best comb. It's not actually the best comb in the world, but I am exaggerating, saying this comb is amazing. It's the best in the world. It's a hyperbole. I'm exaggerating as to how good it is. To make something appear bigger, smaller, smarter, faster than it actually is. This is the best comb in the world. It's number one. It's better than it actually is. It's the biggest comb in the world. It's the biggest comb here, in the neighborhood, in the city. But is it actually the biggest? Not necessarily, but I'm exaggerating to add emphasis onto it. So, he's running faster than the wind. Running faster than the wind. He's very fast. He runs very fast. He's not actually faster than the wind, but he runs really fast. This bag weighs a ton. This bag, very heavy. This bag is very heavy, but you could say it weighs a ton. Whoa, because it's so heavy. That man is as tall as a house. That man is as tall as a house. He is very tall. He might not actually be as tall as a house, but he's very tall. This is the worst day of my life. Absolute worst day. This is a very bad day. Not actually the worst day of life. How could we quantify that? In 10th place, 2nd place, 3rd place, 7th place? We don't know. But this is a bad day. I'll call this that. This is the biggest book in the world. Biggest book. It's really big, but not actually the biggest book in the world. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.